second grade. I'm a Spartanburg Day School student, and this is Mr. Wise. He's from Harper Corporations. He's in charge of this whole entire project for our new school. So, Mr. Wise, what's going on?
We got quite a bit going on, as you can see, Wilson. You're on the site of the upper school project, and we're working very hard to get started with our building. This is the building site right in front of you. And then we're also working, you can see some equipment running over there that's getting ready to pave our parking lots and get that area ready so that your mom or dad can drive in on August the 24th and drop you off like a normal school day.
How big's the high school going to be?
Well, it's going to be 26,000 square feet. It's 2 stories, 13,000 square feet each floor. It will be housed with the latest equipment and will just provide a great place for you to graduate here from the day school.
Can't wait. And also, Mr. Wise, what are these playgrounds doing?
This pile was taken out of a temporary sediment basin. We have to be very careful about what leaves your site during storms. We'll be moving that dirt back into the temporary basin in about a week, and all of those piles should be gone by the time you return for school.
What are these green platforms I see in front of our where we get school?
That is actually a part of the Green Facilities Upgrade project that's also under construction this summer. There will be special HVAC equipment housed on those platforms. And then those platforms, when the upper school is completed, will be designed and constructed to blend very nicely with the new building out front of your campus.
Mr. Wise, are these all new windows here?
I'm glad you asked that question. They are. We have replaced every window in your 4 classroom buildings and your administration building. Before, your windows had just a single pane of glass, very expensive from an energy standpoint. This is an insulated glass with a special low E coating that will enhance the ability of your envelope to control the climate more effectively.
Mr. Wise, where are these wells you're digging up?
You see that practice field on the other side of your track?
Yep.
We drilled 96 wells in that location, and we'll be dressing that back up and getting ready to sprig it so that it can become a playing surface again.
Mr. Wise, how deep are these wells?
350 feet deep, so there's over 27,000 feet of well drilling to get your geothermal system fed properly.
How do these wells that you're digging out here help our air conditioning in our classrooms?
That's a great question. What do you suppose the temperature is of the earth 350 feet deep?
I know that it's pretty hot.
Well, it's actually not too hot. It's about 58 degrees.
Oh.
Isn't that interesting?
Pretty interesting.
58 degrees, so what we're able to do is take that energy from the earth that's 58 degrees and take that water and take it to the water source heat pump so that when it's a very hot day, it's taking 58 degree water and putting that through the air conditioning system to create the cooling, which is much less expensive than taking 99 degree heat like what we've got right now in the air and converting that to air conditioning. What do you call the new gym, Wilson?
Everybody on his school calls it the Griffin Dome.
The Griffin Dome. I like that. Yeah, I'll be glad. Let's go take a look.
Yeah, let's go.
There you go. Right this way.
So, Mr. Wise, what is this
Pretty cool room, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, this is going to be the weight room. So it'll be filled up with weight equipment and cardiovascular machines where all the Griffin athletes can train. And then let me show you right over here. This is your training room. And you were telling me you've never been to the training room before?
Yeah, I've never been.
You haven't been injured?
No.
Well, I hope you never do, because this is where your trainer will be with taping ankles, and if somebody were to get hurt, putting ice on a sprained ankle or whatever it may be. And you can see there's plenty of room to take care of multiple athletes at one time.
So I see these new locker rooms. Who are these for?
This is actually a visiting team's locker room, Wilson, so no longer will you have to share your locker room with teams that come in to compete against the Griffins. Each of the visiting team locker rooms is outfitted with cubbies like this, whereas in your locker rooms you'll have traditional lockers.
Mr. Wise, what are these wooden things here right for? What are they for?
These are for the trophies, all the trophies that the day school has won, and all the trophies you're going to win when you compete, I guess, in soccer and some other sports. So we've got trophy cases, and this is one of my favorite rooms because it can be used for so many different things. When you have ball games, people will come in and stand and visit out here and then enter into the gym to watch the ball games. They can have special events here. There's a beautiful, there'll be a beautiful garden area out here, landscaped area. So y'all will use this for so many different functions.
Mr. Wise, can I go in the new gym that everybody wants to see?
I can let you peek in. We're doing all of the floor markings and the striping. So let me open the door, but you just got to stand here and look, okay?
I think everybody else in our school is very happy with what you've done for the whole entire school. But so, thank you very much.
Oh, my pleasure, Wilson. I look forward to seeing y'all enter in on August the 24th.
Yeah,
That'll be exciting.
Can't wait.